In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two documents in Canva. Merging documents in Canva is quite simple and can be incredibly helpful if you're looking to consolidate your designs into one cohesive document. Whether you're working on a presentation, an ebook, or any multi-page project, having all your content in one place will streamline your workflow and save you loads of time. Let's dive in by opening Canva in your internet browser. Begin by selecting the file from which you want to copy pages. Navigate to the project that contains the pages you'd like to merge into another document. Trust me, having both documents open will make the process much smoother, so keep that in mind before proceeding. Once you've got your document open, you'll want to change the view to a grid format. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a grid icon, typically resembling a square made up of smaller squares. Clicking this icon will give you a cleaner, more organized view of all the pages in your document. Using this grid view is essential for easily selecting multiple pages at once. Now, let's focus on selecting the pages you want to merge. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking the pages you want to include. This allows you to select multiple pages without having to click each one individually, making it a real time saver. Keep in mind that if you want to add or deselect pages, you simply need to click on them while continuing to hold down the Shift key. With your chosen pages selected, the next step is to copy them. For this, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard if you're using a PC, or Command and C if you're on a Mac. At this point, you won't see anything happening visually in Canva, but rest assured that these pages are now copied and ready to be transferred to your other document. Next, switch over to the second Canva design where you plan to merge the pages. You can open that project in either the same or a new tab, whichever is more comfortable for you. Having both designs open will allow you to move back and forth quickly if you need to make any adjustments. Now that you're in the project where you want the pages to go, paste them by hitting Ctrl and V on your keyboard or Command and V if you're a Mac user. The pages should appear in your new document. This gives you the flexibility to arrange and move them around to your liking. And there you have it. You've successfully merged two documents into one cohesive project. It's as simple as that. Remember, you can always adjust the order of the pages once they're in the new document, so feel free to rearrange them as needed to best fit your project's requirements. With this straightforward process, you can efficiently manage your Canva projects and create seamless multi-page designs with ease.